And fight.
Okay. Today we're gonna make a volcano.
Explode.
Yeah, an explosion. And the Lana Rose made it.
Yeah, so
First things first,
we already have the water in it, and it's about halfway full.
and it's warm.
Then we add the very liquid.
Just a squirt.
Then we add the
Colouring.
yeah. Then we add the bicarbonate soda.
Not the colouring first. How many pieces?
Pieces of what?
How many teaspoons?
Maybe you should like, it'll make it go faster.
Next time, make sure your hole is bigger.
Shut up.
These use a bigger bottle. And one more.
Okay, and that should do it. Then get a cup like this, or whatever, and put
Random dancing.
food coloring. And now get it.
Not too much about them, remember.
Oh yeah, good point.
You put the whole thing in?
No, really. And now
We pour it in.
way.
Woo! What about the people?
The people are dead. It's overflowing. Quick, quickly, bring it back and see what happens. More vinegar?
Woo! And there you have it, an exploding volcano.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you have seen it's time for random dancing.
I'm not good enough.
Roma, Roma, ma, ga, ga, ooh la la, what's your bad Roma?
Put your finger in it.
We also did this in a Ribena bottle. Stick this one in, give it a little shake.
Baby, don't you know I suffer?